Hey, it's Paige. Thanks for joining me today in my kitchen. As you know, it is the heart of the home and we spend a lot of time in our kitchen. So I thought I would share with you some of my most helpful containers and things that I love and use just about every single day and where to find them so you can get them for your kitchen. Check it out. Hi, I'm Paige Killian, and I'm passionate about helping busy moms of littles get organized in 3 simple steps. So here's today's organization motivation. Let's start with the 2-tiered fruit basket from Target. I love this one because it is metal and open, and that way nothing gets stuck in it from any of the fruit or the vegetables that I put in it. And I love that it gives my kitchen a bright pop of color and obviously is easily accessible, form and function. You probably know by now that I do not like to have a lot of clutter out on my countertops. So these glass mason jars with the wide lids and the eyelid wide mouth tops are perfect here on my counters. So got these from Amazon. I can easily refill them, or my kids can, over here at my sink with our purified water, and they can stay out and be easily accessible for the kids without looking cluttery on my counters. So now let's head over here to this side. I have this hidden away. Just had a Super Bowl party not that long ago and was able to use this mini dessert stand I love that I got from Michael's, the craft store. I really love this. It's easy to assemble and then just put back in the box, which lives up in the cabinet above. And I was very excited to be able to find these nut-free cupcakes for some very sweet house guests. So I'm not going to do the baking. I'm going to leave it to the pros, but make it look cute on a cupcake stand. Moving on to the set of 3 canisters I got years ago when we registered for our wedding from Williams-Sonoma. I absolutely love how simple and beautiful they are. As you can see, they say flour, sugar, and tea, but full confession, I only have a little bit of flour that lives in my pantry. You can see here it's different types of tea bag filters and some other things for our tea. I can't help it. The other thing here, as you see, is sugar. Well, believe it or not, there's actually sugar in there, and I have it right now in resealable bags just to make sure we don't let any bugs get inside. And additionally, we have the tiny little tea canister, which, tea bags, can you believe it? So there's actually something in here that it says it's going to be too. Well, I love these, and they keep my countertops looking organized and styled beautifully. Moving on now to my cabinets. Inside you'll see these glass bowls. I have a couple of different sizes set here that I got from Pottery Barn, also wedding presents. I keep my Juice Plus supplements in here, fruits, veggies, and all the yummy good oils for you. And I have the same Juice Plus ones that my kids use that are in gummy form, and I put in those little glass jars. And you can see I've got all of these organized on the 2-tiered divided turntable, and that is from the Container Store. So absolutely love those. Super helpful in organizing in my kitchen. And now on to this beautiful box that I got as a gift when I was a speaker recently at Mom Life. They gave this container to me with a lovely gift inside. And once I brought this home, I was like, this is the perfect place to put in extra fruit. I love, again, that pop of color in my all-white kitchen of the lemons and anything else I need to organize. So I love a yummy smelling candle in the kitchen. If you have never heard of this company, you've got to check out the Dev Candle Co. They have the most delicious smelling scents for candles, and I really love that they're in these sustainable, reusable concrete containers. They pour in the wax by hand. They have these awesome copper lids that you can easily put the flame out with, and then you can reuse the canister for a potted plant or pencil holder or something. It is so cute, sustainable, and smells amazing. So I'm really loving this drying rack that actually came with our sink when we moved in the house. I wish I could tell you where it's from, but there's lots of different places that you can get them these days. And the great thing about this is that it's movable. You can see there are different areas you can stack it on your sink. So I'm gonna have you do a little homework on that, but I absolutely love this. And you can also just get freestanding ones anywhere like Target or on Amazon. So that is a fun find for your kitchen, absolutely. Next, I shared this in a past YouTube video. I absolutely love an unjunky junk drawer. And so this has these white organizers that I got from Target that are so great for separating all the different junky things that you need to have in your awesome mom junk drawer, but you don't want it to look a mess. So I have everything divided in there with those. And then I actually use the exact same dividers that again are white clean and white that I put in what I call the bar drawer. I have all kinds of different things in here, but the great thing about this is the fact that they bend and mold to fit a lot of different sizes. And I even put smaller ones into the larger ones. It totally works. I love these. Now over to one of my favorite places in my kitchen, my pantry. I was so excited when we moved into this new house because I had these 4 big cabinets and they're quite deep. So here's what I use. I use a lot of these silver and sage woven Kiva baskets that have labels on them. Those are all from the Container Store. Don't look too closely at my pantry because I'm going to give you a full rundown on a future YouTube video. Okay, so come back for that. But as you can see, I have all different baskets in here because it's so deep with those labels, all from the Container Store. Again, I'm going to show you over here in this cabinet. I have them for baking stuff and also for like party supplies up there. It's so hard for me to reach. Here's a lovely other turntable that I love. These are my faves. Some people call them Lazy Susans. I feel like that's not fair for Susan. What's that? But I wanted to just show you this one, which is usually a deep under the sink one. It works perfectly up there over my stove. And of course, I got to bring you back to my all-time fave, which is the clear divided turntable or Lazy Susan. This is where we keep all of our squeezy packs and our snacks and our bars. Absolute fave. Gotta love the turntable. So those are just a few of my all-time favorite things that I use pretty regularly in my kitchen. Thanks for joining me here today, and check out more upcoming videos where I will share the containers that I use in other areas of my house that just make it work better. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for watching this video. For more resources to organize and style your busy life in 3 simple steps, head over to everythingwithstyle.com and connect with me on Instagram at everythingwithstylemom. Don't forget to check out the Mom's Organization Motivation podcast over on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, any of your favorite platforms. And if you loved this video, it would make me so happy if you would subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.